In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a free 10k prop firm account. This is not a competition account, neither is it one way you have to pass a challenge or not. This is what you get if you are to pay for a prop firm account. So I'm going to be showing you all the details to get it. Now for this account, you are supposed to pay about $69, but then I'm going to show you a code that once you impute it, you'll be able to get it for free. And your login details will be sent to your mail and you can start trading. So if you know that you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. So let's go as I show you how to get it. Okay, so here's the account. The first thing that we need to do is to sign up. So we're going to click on get started. As you can see, we have the 10k two-phase and we have the 25k two-phase, but we'll be going for the 10k two-phase. Yes, so we're going to click on purchase now. Yeah, so we have two payment methods, but we're going to be picking the credit card. Yes, so there is a code that we're going to be adding, so let's click on it. So you have two payment methods. It's either you pay with your card or you add code, but we're going to be adding code. Yes, then we're going to click on apply. Yes, as you can see, it has gone back to 0. Yes, so the next thing for us to do is to impute our email. I'm going to be imputing my email, then I'll click on complete order. So it's processing. So we're waiting for it. Yes, so thanks for your order. So an email will be sent, a message will be sent to my email. Yes, so that's where we're going to get our login details. So now you will not receive your details immediately. If you don't receive it immediately, don't panic. Yes, it's due to the traffic. All right, so make sure you do it now and share to your friends so that they can do it too. I reached out to the team on Discord and asked, and they said that it will get to everybody. As you can see, it right here. So if you got this free 10k bonus, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.